Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 19, Part C. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form, 2 over x minus 2 minus 3 over x plus 1. In this question, the denominators of both terms are different, so we cannot directly subtract them. As the denominators cannot easily be made the same, we shall use the cross-multiplication method. So it will become 2 into x plus 1 minus 3 into x minus 2 over x minus 2 into x plus 1. Resolving it further, it will become 2x plus 2 minus 3x plus 6 over x minus 2 into x plus 1. Simplifying it further, it will become 8 minus x over x minus 2 into x plus 1. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.